I want to work out. Today is the day. Oh wait, where is the time? I have to go to work and run errands. Are you in a similar situation? Well, you're not alone. That's why at CHI Health, we're going to uncover how to use simple tips to exercise at work. Hi, I'm Kirti Gupta, internal medicine pediatric physician at CHI Health. If you are like most Americans, that's 80% of us, who drive to work, start with exercise by parking further away from your office than you need to. Get those steps in on the way to and from work. Every step adds up. Second, take the stairs. Ditch the elevator. It will strengthen your legs too. Walking is a key factor to improving your overall health. Americans are leading an increasingly sedentary lifestyle thanks to technology and the office. Now that you've made it to your desk, sit up straight. Don't slouch. Yes, you don't even need to be moving to exercise. Sitting up straight will work on your core, stomach, and back muscles. There are phone apps available to remind you of just that. To really work on your core, ditch your chair for an exercise ball. Balancing on your own makes you sit up straight and works your core. Want to go one step further? Use a standing desk. I do. Modern desks allow you to raise them so you can stand while you work, eliminating the problem altogether. Time is a limited resource and work takes up most of it. Maximize this time. Be creative with your exercise. You don't always have to go to the gym if you follow these helpful tips. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Dr. Kirti Gupta, and be sure to check back for more from CHI Health.